Hey, makeup enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about one of the most versatile and convenient eyeliner options out there, retractable eyeliners. No need for sharpening, and they're usually great for quick application, whether you're going for a subtle line or a bold look. I've tested a lot of retractable eyeliners and narrowed it down to my top 5 picks that deliver on pigmentation, smoothness, and lasting power. Let's jump right in and find the perfect retractable eyeliner for you. At number 1 position, we have Wet n Wild Retractable Eyeliner. First up, we have the Wet n Wild Retractable Eyeliner. Wet n Wild is known for its affordable yet quality products, and this eyeliner is no exception. If you're looking for a good liner on a budget, this is a fantastic choice. What I love about it, the Wet n Wild Retractable Eyeliner has a creamy formula that glides on smoothly without tugging on the delicate skin around the eyes. The pigmentation is impressive for such a budget-friendly product, giving you a bold line in just one swipe. It's also versatile, you can use it to create a thin line or smudge it out for a smokier look. Plus, it's retractable, so there's no need for sharpening, which is always a win. What could be better? The staying power is decent, but it may need a touch-up if you're wearing it for a long day or in humid conditions. Additionally, it's not fully waterproof, so it might smudge slightly if you have oily lids or are prone to watery eyes. Who this is best for? Perfect for anyone looking for an affordable, everyday liner with good pigmentation. Ideal for beginners or anyone who needs a quick, easy option for everyday looks. Moving on to the next at number 2 with e.l.f. Retractable Eyeliner. Next on our list is the e.l.f. Retractable Eyeliner. e.l.f. is known for its high-quality, wallet-friendly products, and their retractable eyeliner lives up to that reputation. It's a great choice if you're looking for an eyeliner that's easy to use and lasts well. What I love about it, the e.l.f. Retractable Eyeliner has a soft, creamy formula that glides on without any tugging or skipping. The pigmentation is bold, providing a rich color in one swipe. What's great about this liner is that it's long-lasting and smudge-resistant, making it perfect for all-day wear. The retractable feature is smooth, and the packaging feels sturdy, so you don't have to worry about it breaking easily. What could be better? It's not completely waterproof, so it might not hold up perfectly on hot or humid days. Also, it has a fairly thick tip, so if you prefer a super fine line, this might not be your go-to. Who this is best for? This is a solid choice for anyone who wants a long-wearing, smudge-resistant liner at an affordable price. Great for those who want a bold, rich color that lasts. The number 3 position is held by Pupa Retractable Eyeliner. Now, let's talk about the Pupa Retractable Eyeliner. Pupa is an Italian brand that offers high-quality products with a touch of luxury. This eyeliner brings that elegance to an everyday essential. What I love about it, the Pupa Retractable Eyeliner has a silky formula that glides on effortlessly. The color payoff is fantastic, it's richly pigmented, so you get a bold line without needing multiple passes. This liner is also waterproof and smudge-proof, meaning it's great for long wear and can withstand humidity. Plus, it comes with a built-in smudger on the other end, allowing you to create a smoky look or soften your lines easily. What could be better? Since it's a bit more on the premium side, it's pricier than other retractable liners. Also, it's not as widely available as some other brands, so you may have to look online or at specialty beauty stores to find it. Who this is best for? Ideal for those who want a high-quality, waterproof liner with great pigmentation. Perfect if you're looking to invest a bit more in an eyeliner that will last and give you multiple look options. Next at number 4, we have JOAH Retractable Eyeliner. Coming in at number 4, we have the JOAH Retractable Eyeliner. JOAH is a K-beauty inspired brand that has made its way into the drugstore scene with some impressive, affordable products. Their retractable eyeliner is another great option if you're looking for quality on a budget. What I love about it, the JOAH Retractable Eyeliner has a unique gel-like formula that glides on smoothly, making it very comfortable to apply. The pigmentation is rich, giving you an intense black or brown line, and it's waterproof, so it lasts through most of the day. It's also retractable, with no need to sharpen, which is super convenient. Another plus is that it's formulated without harsh chemicals, making it suitable for those with sensitive eyes. What could be better? Because of its gel formula, it can smudge a bit if not given time to set. Additionally, the tip can wear down quickly with frequent use, so you may need to twist it up more often. Who this is best for? Perfect for anyone looking for an affordable, waterproof liner that's gentle on the eyes. Great for those who want a soft, gel-like formula that's comfortable to wear. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Black Radiance Retractable Eyeliner. Finally, we have the Black Radiance Retractable Eyeliner. Black Radiance is a brand that celebrates diversity and offers high-quality products at affordable prices, and this eyeliner is no exception. It's designed to work well on a variety of skin tones, which is always a plus. What I love about it, the Black Radiance Retractable Eyeliner has a super smooth texture that glides on without skipping. The color payoff is intense, and it stays put throughout the day without fading. It's also easy to apply precisely, whether you're going for a thin line or a more dramatic look. The formula is water-resistant, which is perfect for long wear, and it's very affordable. What could be better? While it's water-resistant, it's not fully waterproof, so it might smudge a bit in very humid conditions or with oily lids. The twist-up mechanism can also be a bit tricky to control, so be gentle when retracting it. Who this is best for? This is a great option for anyone looking for a bold, long-lasting liner that's both budget-friendly and versatile. It's particularly suitable if you're looking for a rich color that won't break the bank. And there you have it, my top 5 retractable eyeliners. From the budget-friendly Wet n Wild to the premium Pupa, there's something here for everyone. Whether you need an eyeliner that lasts all day, one that's gentle for sensitive eyes, or just a great everyday option, these picks cover all the bases. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more beauty reviews and tips. Let me know in the comments which retractable eyeliner you're most excited to try, or if you have a personal favorite. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.